Hi guys, welcome back to our channel wherein we always share ideas and knowledge on how to learn and earn from the comfort of our homes. Thank you very much to those people who keep on tuning in. And if you're new to our channel, please like this video and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our uploads. On the previous video, we discussed about the company's background and the mission of Course Hero. We talked about as well the process of submitting an applications to their open positions. I would highly recommend that you watch this video. I will put the link on the description box and on the upper right side of this video for your reference. Today, we will talk about being one of their tutors and how can we become one. So aside from the open positions available at Course Hero, you can also be an online tutor and you can make up to $1,500 per month. Please note that this amount represents monthly earnings of top-tier tutors. Actual earnings may vary depending on number of questions answered, subject category, question difficulty, answer quality, and other factors. Leverage your content knowledge to answer homework questions and help over 20 million students. As a tutor with Course Hero, you can make extra money. Again, top tutors earn around $1,500 each month for answering questions in their subject matter domain. Work when you want. Tutor online anytime with just a computer and an internet connection. There's no audio or video is required. Help students study and learn. Share your thoughts or your expertise with college students to help them study and succeed in their courses, graduate confidently and prepared. And it is very easy to apply as a tutor. Join a global community of thousands of tutors helping students learn every day. Here are the steps. Let's go ahead and discuss it one by one. All right? First, create your Course Hero Tutor account. Let's go ahead and visit their website. I will put the link on the description box. And this is how it looks like. And then just click Careers tab. And right at the bottom, you will see Get Course Hero. And click Tutors. You will see the screen. Let's go ahead and click Apply Now button here. And then you will be routed on this page. You need to fill out everything here like your email address, username, and create your password and tick the box right here and hit sign up as a tutor button. Okay. As you hit next, we need to provide basic information and select your tutoring subjects. This is how it looks like. So we will be filling out again the information, basic information like your first name, what is your last name, your country you live in, are you above the age of 13 years old, what is your phone number. You need to put in your current phone number because the system will be sending us code here that we need to verify. And then afterwards, we just need to hit next section tab. Alright. And then we will be showing us this section. Alright, so what is the highest level of education you have completed? What is your professional background? Have you tutored before? This is answerable by yes or no. And questions like, do you tutor on any other online platforms? And then so forth. Then we need to hit next. And how did you hear about Course Hero? You will be showing here options like this one. Okay. Like if it's coming from social media like Facebook, Twitter, and the like. And then hit next. And then What subjects do you want to tutor in on Course Hero? So you can select up to 20 subjects, and here are the subjects like math, business, sciences. All right. Okay. Here are the subjects under science, engineering and technology, arts and humanities, social sciences, and so forth. You can go ahead and select your preferred subjects, and you just need to hit next afterwards. All right. So as you hit next, you will be needing to pass a quiz in order to tutor in subjects that you have selected. All right. You can go ahead and take each of the subject here, and there is actually a requirement for each category here that you have chosen. Okay. So let's say you have completed some of the quizzes. You can go ahead and hit next. All right. If you haven't completed any of the subjects here, you will be prompted like this. Next step is upload your ID and academic credentials. So as you hit next, you will see the screen. So you can just go ahead and follow through the process and read each of the information. This is actually helpful for you to jumpstart your career with Course Hero. It says here you have 3 questions to answer on this part. Uploading the required documents below will help them verify your education and identity. So first question, upload a picture of your photo identification card. So it should be any government issued ID. All right, like this. So afterwards, after you upload your government ID, you can just go ahead and move to the next question. Upload proof of your education. It could be like university transcript of records showing your grades for each course that you have selected, grade sheet, grade memo, credit sheet, and the like. Do not upload your resume or curriculum vitae here. Next, identification card next to your face. So it should be like taking a selfie while holding your photo identification card next to your face. All right, then hit next. So after you have submitted everything, you just need to wait within 7 days to get approved with your application, and you can go ahead and start tutoring with Course Hero. All right. So here are here are the subjects that you can choose from in doing tutoring with Course Hero. Okay, you can go ahead and take note of this. Or you can also check this one on their website. Let's answer some questions here. Do you have to be a certified tutor or a professor to be a tutor on Course Hero? Course Hero believes that experts take all forms and therefore do not require that you could be verified or certified tutor or professor. However, you do need to share sufficient credentials to prove that you have an expertise. How long should I expect to wait to hear back about my application? More often, you'll hear back from them within 1 to 3 business days. It may occasionally take them longer when demand is high. All right. Am I required to tutor for a certain amount of time or answer minimum number of questions? No, you are not required to tutor for a certain amount of time or answer a minimum number of questions. This is an independent contractor position. However, the higher your rating, the more opportunities you'll receive to earn money. How much can I expect to make as a tutor? Again, as we mentioned earlier, top tier tutors can earn around $1,500 per month. Actual earnings may vary depending on number of questions answered, subject category, and other factors. What is my legal relationship to Course Hero if I join as a tutor? By signing up as a Course Hero tutor, you agree to work as an independent freelancer. That means there's no employer and employee relationship between you and Course Hero. So you get paid only for answering students' questions and have the flexibility and freedom to do this work whenever and wherever you like. All right. If you need assistance with your application, you may reach them to their social media accounts. All right. Good luck with your application. That's about it for today. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, suggestions, or any topics that you want us to create a video for you, please feel free to leave a message in the comment section below. We are very much happy to create a video for you. Please consider watching and sharing other videos on our channel. To those are indeed helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.